Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're talking about a bold move by California Governor Gavin Newsom. Governor Newsom has just made headlines by switching his official state vehicle from the Chevy Suburban to a black Rivian all-electric SUV. Now, this might seem like a routine update, but it's actually got some significant implications for the electric vehicle market in California. So, let's dive into why this switch is such a big deal. The Rivian R1S SUV, as you may know, is an American-made electric vehicle that produces zero tailpipe emissions. And by choosing to go with a locally made EV, Governor Newsom is sending a strong signal about the importance of domestic manufacturing in California. This decision also speaks volumes about the current state of play in the state's EV market. You see, Tesla, once considered the king of electric vehicles in California, has seen its market share decline by nearly 12% in the first quarter of this year alone. That's according to the California New Car Dealers Association. Now, some folks might say that Governor Newsom is simply trying to distance himself from Elon Musk and his increasingly toxic reputation. And while that might be a factor, it's also worth noting that Tesla's CEO has been making headlines recently for his, let's call them creative investments in the past few months. I mean, who needs billions of dollars when you can put them towards President Trump's campaign, right? Anyway, this kind of move by Governor Newsom is a clever way to make a statement about the value he places on domestic manufacturing and the environmental benefits of electric vehicles. As Ethan Elkind, director of the UC Berkeley Center for Law, Energy, and the Environment, pointed out, it feels like a bit of a slap in the face at Tesla. But that's not exactly what this is about. It's more about California Governor Newsom choosing to go with an American-made electric vehicle that just so happens to be made by a company that's only 3% of the market share in the state. It's a bold move, and one that could have significant implications for the way we think about transportation policy in California. As we continue to explore the world of electric vehicles, it's essential to consider not just what works, but also who makes them and where they're made. So there you have it. Governor Gavin Newsom has officially switched his state vehicle to a Rivian R1S SUV. It's a move that's sure to spark some interesting conversations about the future of transportation in California. Thanks for joining us on ElectroDrive News. If you want to stay up to date on all things electric and clean, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.